Welcome to our geometry guide. Today, we're going to learn about the inscribed circle of a triangle. We will discover how to find the special point that is an equal distance away from all three of the triangle's sides. So, what exactly is an inscribed circle? It is the biggest circle you can possibly fit inside a triangle. A key feature is that it touches each of the three sides at only one point. This point of contact is known as being tangent to the side. Here is the main puzzle we need to solve. Before we can draw this circle, we must locate its precise center. The most important rule for this center point is that it must be equidistant, which means it has to be the exact same distance from all three sides of the triangle. The secret to solving our puzzle is something called an angle bisector. An angle bisector is a straight line that starts from a corner, or vertex, of the triangle and splits that angle into two new angles that are perfectly equal in size. Angle bisectors have a very useful property. Every single point located on an angle bisector is the same distance from the two lines that create the angle. This means, if you measure the perpendicular distance from any point on the bisector to each side, the two distances will be identical. Let's begin the construction. The first step is to choose any one of the triangle's three angles and create its angle bisector. For our example, we will start by bisecting angle A. Next, we choose a second angle and do the same thing. We will now construct the angle bisector for angle B. You will notice that this new line crosses over the first line we drew. That point where the two angle bisectors cross is a very special point. It's called the incenter. Because this incenter lies on the first bisector, it's equidistant from the top and left sides. And since it's also on the second bisector, it's equidistant from the left and bottom sides. Therefore, this point is equidistant from all three sides. We have found the center for our circle. Just to be certain, we can perform a verification step. If we draw the third and final angle bisector, for angle C, you will see that it also travels through the incenter. The fact that all three bisectors meet at the same point confirms that our construction is accurate. Now that we have the center, we need to know how big to make our circle. The size, or radius, is the distance from the incenter to any of the three sides. To find it, we just draw a line from the incenter that is perpendicular to one of the sides. Finally, we have everything we need. Using the incenter as the center point and the radius we just measured, we can now draw our perfect, inscribed circle. It fits perfectly inside the triangle, just touching all three sides.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.